Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials. Plug into Ethernet or switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band because wireless interference causes most stutter. Run a quick speed test and note ping. Fortnite needs about 10 plus Mbps and low latency. Once done, close other apps and browser tabs on the streaming device to free CPU and bandwidth. Make sure no downloads or cloud backups are active. These first actions remove common bottlenecks, so the next steps can focus on streaming settings and priority. Next, you change streaming and network priorities to smooth gameplay. In the Xbox Cloud interface, choose Adaptive Quality or drop to 720p if frames drop. Lowering resolution reduces bandwidth spikes. Then open your router and enable Co-S, placing the streaming device or Xbox traffic at higher priority. This cuts packet loss. If available, prioritize UDP ports used by Xbox. Finally, tweak controller input smoothing in Fortnite. Sometimes reducing sensitivity helps perceived lag. These steps balance visuals and responsiveness so gameplay feels consistent. To finish, you perform a clean restart and validate performance. Power cycle modem, then router, then your streaming device. This clears transient routing problems. Launch a private Fortnite match and watch ping and packet loss numbers to confirm improvement. If lag remains, switch to another local gateway or tether to a phone briefly to isolate ISP issues. Make sure to collect timestamps and any in-game logs before contacting support. They'll need those details to diagnose persistent network or server-side problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.